team.
A Fort Wayne man now owns a brand new Mini Cooper. He won a national contest put on by Dairy Queen. Robbie Sondag and his family claimed the prize today. Robbie submitted a video of his family doing good deeds for unsuspecting people. Of all the nationwide submissions, his made it into the top 24. From there, he collected enough votes to make it to the top 6, and that's how he won the car. He said he tried to make his video stand out by making it unique.
There was a lot of humor in the video, and again, it was creative and the element of surprise of not knowing what's going to happen next, and then kind of a little twist at the end. It turned out to be really fun.
5 other people across the country also won Mini Coopers.